Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Celo Dango Testnet airdrop. Now please note that this is a potential airdrop and we are not sure whether they are going to do an airdrop for this or not. But considering it's from Celo, they might potentially do an airdrop, although none of this is a financial advice. Please do your own research. Now before we move on to Celo Dango airdrop farming, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. And apart from this, once you create an account on Bybit, you would be also eligible to participate on different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now, in order to farm the Celo Dango airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go to their faucet over here. All the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet, and also if you have a GitHub account you can go ahead and connect it, because this will give you 10x the rewards if you go ahead and connect your GitHub account. And then you can go over here and add this Celo testnet to your MetaMask wallet, so which I have already done it. Now apart from this, you can also switch this network to Celo unxwKY over here, and also add these tokens over here, which are Mento tokens on this network as well. Now I'm switching back to Dango over here. So all you have to do is, once you are here on MetaMask, simply go ahead and copy your address over here, paste it over here and click on faucet. Now if you are signed up on GitHub, then it will give you one Celo on the Celo network over here. If not, then it will give you 0.1. Now apart from this, you can also request for some USDC over here. So simply go over here and click on Celo unxwKY. Once again, go to MetaMask wallet, copy this address, paste it over here and click on send 10 USDC. Now the next thing that you can do is you can go ahead and request for some unxwKY Ethereum. So simply go to this cloud.google.com. Over here, once again go to your MetaMask wallet, copy your contract address, copy your wallet address, paste it over here and click on receive one unxwKY. Now once unxwKY and this Celo testnet fund is available, all you can do is you can go to the bridge over here, click on withdraw, and you can select any amount that you want to withdraw. So as you can see, it would be from the Celo Dango testnet to unxwKY. So what you can do is, over here in the drop down, you can select this one, Celo Dango Testnet, and go ahead and connect your wallet. Now simply click on withdraw over here. Simply tick all of this and click on initiate withdrawal. Now it will take roughly around 5 to 10 minutes for the transaction to be completed, and you can go ahead and track the transaction over here. So this is all for this video with regards to Celo airdrop farming or Celo Dango airdrop farming for now. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.